Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make juicy chicken with a crispy cornflake crust. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breasts that are on the thinner side. You can use chicken thighs or bone-in pieces with this recipe. Just adjust the cooking time. First, heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Season both sides of the chicken with salt and ground black pepper. Crack an egg into a container big enough to fit the chicken for dipping. Add a little milk, salt, and ground black pepper. Whisk that up. Here is the magic ingredient, cornflakes, for instant crispy crust. Put the cornflakes in a bag and use a rolling pin to crush them up. Transfer this to a wide plate or shallow bowl so it's easy to dip the chicken without making a mess. Season the cornflakes with a little salt and pepper. Stir that up. I'll bake the chicken on a sheet tray. Grease it with a little oil. Parchment paper can be used if you want to avoid cleaning the tray. On your counter, line up the seasoned chicken, then egg and cornflakes. Dip each piece of chicken in the egg and let the excess drip off. Coat it on both sides with the cornflakes. Press the flakes on as best as you can. Put the chicken on the sheet tray. That's very nicely coated. I like to drizzle melted butter over the top of the flakes as evenly as possible. The crust will be more brown and really tasty. Bake in the heated oven for about 20 minutes. If you're using larger pieces of chicken or bone-in pieces, the time could be 45 minutes to an hour. After 20 minutes, the chicken is golden brown. It's not difficult to get off the tray. It doesn't stick. I'll cut into it for you. Juicy, perfectly cooked breast, and crispy coating. It's such a simple way to cook chicken, but everyone will love it. Tastes almost like fried chicken because of the butter on the cornflakes. The cornflake crust is addictive, so you want to keep eating this chicken. I would definitely make extra because it's going to go fast. With just 5 ingredients, this recipe is definitely worth making. To get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.